Hi, when you are making any sort of buy A get B BOGO offer in the product, you have to make sure about the three things. First, you have to specify a free product that you want to offer for free. Let's make it logo. Now this product will be added for free. And now if you want, you can give them the choice of alternate free products. This will be added for free initially, and they will be given an option on the checkout or cart page to switch the free product that has been added over here. Another important thing is by quantity. This is the amount of quantity that the user has to pay for, and this is the quantity that they will be getting free. Now, this means there will be 3 unit of product in your cart. One will be paid and two will be added for free. Now, this means there will be two products. One will be paid, one will be added for free. Now, this is optional. You can specify the free product or maximum free product that you want to give in one order of particular this BOGO offer, or you can leave this blank. Now, these three things are important. Once you have filled this, you can specify a message or you can leave this blank, that is not important. And once you have done this, you have to save it. That will create your product level BOGO offer, and you will not have any warning over here. But if you will leave any of the important field blank, say we are leaving this blank, then it is going to create a warning for you that the offer was not created properly. Okay, now in this case, you did not got the warning over there as this is a variable product. So we support the option of providing free product even from the variation. So your each variations can have a different free product with associated with them. So in this, we have associated a different free product for the yellow variation, and likewise we have associated a different variation for green variation. So you did not got the warning of the free product. If you will remove this, then you will be given a warning that the free product is not specified and your BOGO offer is incomplete. See, your BOGO offer is incomplete as the following variations do not have the free product specified in them. So if you are making a normal product, then you have to specify from here. If you are making a variable product, you can specify from the main page, or you can specify them inside each of the variation. Let's make it simple and specify it over here as well. So now when we specify it over here, all the child variations will be taking this value from here and the warning will go away. Warning has gone as the now the offer will be running using this product for all the variations. So you have to make sure you offer free product and the quantity to buy and quantity of the product given free. The same is the case with the category level rules as well. Once you go to the category level, you have to once again category rules. You have to make sure that you specify a rule and you specify one free product and you specify the buy quantity and free quantity. Once you have specified this three things, then the rule will be complete. If you will leave any of the thing in this incomplete, then the offer will not be created and you will get a warning message that the rule was not created properly. it will be highlighted over here with the red background stating that the warning offer not created properly. So to create the offer properly, you have to make sure you specify all these three things. Then the warning will go away. Okay.